smell it? There it is. Baby food chicken. Hope I get the ferals, less feral. Come a little closer. Yeah. And a little closer. Even closer. I know that's a puppy at the door.
This is like liquid chicken. Chicken. Come here, Mango.
There you go. Now you can't make a. Now you don't make a mess. It can be on towel.
Oh, Chai's coming. He's thinking about it. He's like, no one's screaming or dying. Maybe they should come out.
If you lure them slowly, they come. It's cute. Here, I'm gonna pet you. Look. No, Crowley. See Crowley. GTO. It's a good boy. Okay. He's like, the chicken's gone, so your hand needs to be gone. Uh-oh, he discovered the jar. Hey, look. It's easier to get it off the spoon.
He's like, it's easier to get it out of the jar.
Come on, Mango. Butternut discovered the jar, guys. Better hurry. Can I have some more? Thanks. Hi, Mr. Waffles. Come on, Mango. Chai's getting out and fed over here. Come here. Push him just past his comfort zone. Your brother's over here. You can come too. Did you put some in the lid?
No, he's
Oh.
just desperate. Chai and I had a little incident. He got stuck on the top of the lip of the bathtub and he was crying, and I tried to help him down, and we had a little scratchy hiss fit. I got a scratch here, I've got here and here.
It's the dangers of feral kitties. You got to be super careful. We thought we made pretty good progress, and we did. He just got scared. They're just so scared.
He's picking up the lid. Hey, buddy.
That's Mr. Waffles. This is Butternut.
Yeah, see, since then now
And this
Chai's
is Mango.
upset. He's hiding. He's like, I'm good. You had a stressful day. I'm sorry.
I know it was just this morning. It feels like forever ago.
We made up. I held him and I gave him forceful kisses and told him I accepted his apology. Butternut, you have chicken on your head from sticking your head in the lid. In the jar.
I'll bring it a little closer. Gotta come closer to get some. There we go. Yeah. Gotta come out more open to open. Like Christmas kitty blanket towel.
So chicken baby food, it literally is just blended chicken. That's all that's in it. So it's a great tool for enticing. It's not enough calories to feed a cat alone. You obviously would still. He stuck his head in the jar.
Sure.
Hey, baby.
Excuse me. You can't eat all of it, mister. Your brother's gotta eat some too. I need to be petting you.
I think the whole jar is only like 160 calories, something 90 calories for the whole entire jar. So,
babies. Oh, look, you took the jar away.
I know. It's like you only can touch them if they're actively getting chicken.
Come back, chickens. Needing some chicken. To not be so chicken.
Mango's face is the cutest.
Oh yeah, she's so cute.
Mango is more fluffy. That's how I usually tell him apart.
Yeah, people are like, it's hard to tell. He's like more dark and fluffy, and then this is Mr. Waffles. I think you can actually see his sidelines more.
Yeah.
And he's lighter.
Mango has a rounder face.
Yeah. Come on, babies.
Also, Waffles is very grumpy and usually hissing or spitting or growling.
They haven't spit for a while, have they?
Not in a couple of days, actually.
Yeah. They've been hissing, but the spitting was crazy the first day.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, there's more where that came from. Then it touched you and now it's over. Huh? Come on. Come here.
He's like, too close, too close. Did you see the food on Butternut's head? I feel bad. Shy's sitting by himself. Here, like this. It's okay.
Come on. Oh no, I got it on the ground. This stuff stinks, so I'm kind of like, okay.
Come here, baby.
He's actually being the more brave one though for the food.
Come here, Shy. I'm trying to make up with you. Here's some chicken. Get some chicken. There you go. It's hard because you want to grab them and love them, but that's also counterproductive because then you're going to scare them even more. You kind of have to let them go at their own pace.
You have to touch them, but not too much. Because if you don't touch them at all, then they're never going to come around. Oh, you hear the doggy again? Scary doggy. Alright, we'll see you guys later.